So Hare Krishna, today 20th of October 2020 and we are continuing our study of Srimad Bhagavatam, Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Sometime I had a desire that we should read Bhagavatam continuously. Just a desire. And then when you sit alone yourself, you do read, no doubt about it. But where is the congregation? Srimad Bhagavatam is to be heard, recited in congregation. Swadhyaya is okay, but congregation much better. And that's why this Karuna of Krishna came in the shape of Corona, and we are here for the last 6 months. We are reading Srimad Bhagavatam. So today, Canto 3, Chapter 12, Text 23, entitled Creation of Kumaras and Others. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Nashtuprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtaki. Text 23. Utsanga Narado Jagne Daksho Angushtatat Huyambuha Pranadvasishta Sanjato Virgustvache Karat Kratuhu. Utsangat, by transcendental deliberation. Narada, Mahamuni Narada, Jagne was generated. Daksha, Angushtatat, from the thumb. Swayambhuhu, of Brahma. Pranat, from the life air or breathing. Vasishta. Sanjataha was born. Bhrigu, the sage Bhrigu. Tvachi, from the touch. Karat, from the hand. Kratuhu, the sage Kratu. Translation purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Narada was born from the deliberation of Brahma, which is the best part of the body. Vasishta was born from his breathing. Daksha from his thumb. Bhrigu from his touch. And Kratu from his hand. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnana Jan Salakaya Chakmritam Enam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Mano Vishnavastapitam Ena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Savatantikam Bandeyaham Sri Guru Shita Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrayatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidyam Sajivam Sadhuitam Savadutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakhanvitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Narad Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhana Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priya Vangsha Kripataru Vaishya Kripa Sindhu Vacho Patita Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namo. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pishthaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swami Niti Namine. Namo Acharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Vardayane Gaur Gatha Damadaya Nagargama Tarane. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharane Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyada Desatarane. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Utsanga Narado Jagne Daksho Angushtatat Swayambhuah Pranad Vasishtha Sanjatu Virgustvai Karad Kratuhu. So, Vidura is being explained in detail. What they say, Maitreya is telling, oh Vidura, this Narada was born from the mind, Brahma, deliberation, or from intelligence, either mind or intelligence. So because you are deliberating what to do, so Narada Muni appeared. And the brain or the intelligence is the best part of the body. Then Vasishtha, from his breathing. You see, not only that Mahavishnu was excelling many universes, Brahma in turn, through his breathing the Vasishtha came out. Isn't it? And from our breathing, when you inhale and exhale, Corona comes out. Daksha from the thumb, Bhrigu from his touch, and Karatu from his hand. Many more details are further. We'll look at it. Prabhupada says, Narada was born from the best deliberation of Brahma because Narada was able to deliver the Supreme Lord to anyone he liked. In Hindi there are two words, Prabhavit and Prabhu Bhavit. Prabhavit and Prabhavit. There are so many people, such a great orator, say they do Prabhav on the audience. Prabhavit. Oh, very nice, good information. But there are so many, they don't talk much. They only do Prabhavit. They bring the people back on the lotus feet of Krishna. Or they install the seed of devotion in their heart. Prabhavit and Prabhavit. So Narada was able to do both. And Narada is only one sage which is respected, adored by all the communities, be it Devas, Danavas, Asuras, Rakshasas, Kimpurusas, Charanadharas, Bidadharas, Apsaras, all the human beings. He is respected all around. And what he speaks, he always speaks the truth without hiding the motive behind. Always he speaks the truth. That's our great Narada. And that's why he has such a great, we call it a battery, or the people of his disciple. Prahlada, Dhruva, Vyasa, Vasishtha, all big line. Great personality. Prabhupada heard to say, the Supreme Person of Godhead cannot be realized by any amount of Vedic knowledge. It doesn't matter whether you are Ikvedi, Dvivedi, Trivedi, Chaturvedi, or mixture of everything is called a Mishra. Naham Vedir na tapasa, na jnane na chejaya, sakyevam vidodrushtum drishtva nasima metha. These are not the ways to know Krishna. Because from the Vedas you get information. But the purpose of the Vedas, I am to be known as Krishna says in 15.15 Bhagavad Gita, Vedesa sarver ahameva vedyaha. Now if the people fall for the flowery language of the Vedas, and the first thing what happens? Let me live long, isn't it? The first and foremost thing is, let me live long. How long? Well, as much as the age of Brahmaji, that's it. I don't want anything more. I'm not greedy. I'm not lusty. Only as much as the age of Brahmaji. See? Now, this is the problem with Vedas means they say how to make your body strong. We have heard it in the second condition of the Bhagavatam when Sukadeva Goswami was trying to tell Maharaja Parikshit, by doing this, what you can get it. You want a strong body, you want to be free from the enemies, free from distress, from dukkha, sukha, everything. There are each particular kind of demigods one can worship and he gets what he wants. But is that the purpose of life? No. So therefore, there are very few people who can deliver Krishna. And Narada is one who delivered Krishna. There are so many other sages. They have talked about Krishna, but hardly they could deliver anybody. Or any number of penances, even any kind of penance. Remember the sloka Guru Maharaj used to say? Antarvahirya Haristapasa Tata Kim, Nantarvahirya Haristapata Sakim. Forget the first line of sloka. I remember it. Araditu Yadi Harim Tapasa Tata Kim, Naradhito Yadi Harim Tapasa Tata Kim, Antar Vahirya Haris Tapasa Tata Kim, Nantar Vahirya Haris Tapasa Tata Kim. So, Aradhitu Yadhiharim. If somebody worships Krishna, that is a tapa. You don't need to go for a separate tapa. And Naradhitu, if you are not worshipping Krishna, then what is doing that the tapa? Is a wastage of time or pilgrimage of the Kuru purpose. But a pure devotee of the Lord, like Narada, can deliver the Supreme Lord by his goodwill. The very name Narada suggests that he can deliver the Supreme Lord. Nara means Supreme Lord, and Da means one who can deliver. Narada. That he can deliver the Supreme Lord does not mean that the Lord is like a commodity that he can be delivered to anyone. But Narada can deliver to anyone the transcendental living service of the Lord as a servitor, friends, parent, or lover, as one may desire out of one's own transcendental love for the Lord. In other words, it is Narada only who can deliver the path of bhakti, yoga, the highest mystic means for attainment of the Supreme Lord. About Narada, I will tell one story I used to tell maybe 10 years before, 15 years before. Once Narada, he went to Lord Sri Krishna and he asked him, Mighty Lord, what is the result of bhakti or association of the devotees? Please let me know. Lord Krishna laughed at it. He said, Oh Narada, if you go to Narkaloka, there is one Jiva, he is crying a lot. He can tell you about the association of the pure devotee. Oh, now it's fine. Let me, because he was inquisitive to know what is the result of an association of the pure devotee. Sometimes it is the Lord Krishna's make the people puzzle. He went to the Narkaloka, there is one particular Jiva wailing and crying. As soon as he Narada, he stopped. So he couldn't speak anything. So he comes back to Lord Krishna again and he said, My dear sir, what address you have given me? That fellow, after seeing me become dumb and deaf, couldn't talk. He said, Oh, all right. Then go in a particular jungle. In jungle there is a tree. And in the tree there are some the birds, baby bird, chicks. There is one chick. Just go. He might tell you. And Narada knew the language of the birds, not a problem. He hurriedly goes there. He saw the chick. Chick had opened his eyes and mouth. And by seeing Narada, he died. Narada said, Oh my God, what is this? What Krishna wanted me to know? I wanted to know the result and the people are dying. He goes back to Krishna again. He said, My dear Lord, what is this? The chick also died. He said, Oh, really? Okay, no problem. Go to another place, there is a Brahmin. And Brahmin is a cow, and cow has just delivered the baby, calf. Go and ask the calf. Now he said, Oh, it is better than that. He goes to that particular place. He finds the calf. Calf looks at Narada. Looking at Narada, the calf died. Narada now did not want to go back to Krishna. He says, It's a Gauhatya. It's a Gauhatya. Nothing doing. Forget about What happened to the association? I don't care. But he was very inquisitive. He said, my God, but let me find out why this is happening. He's go to Krishna. Krishna said, what happened? He said, because of you, I have got a Gohatya. Just because of you. If you had not sent it to me, to that particular person, I would have not, the fellow would have not died, and I would not be implicated in Gohatya, Dhenuhatya. Krishna said, oh, you know what? Just one more chance? He said, yes. He said, you know, in particular village, there is a Brahmin, and Brahmin has a boy. You just go and ask the boy. And Narada said, no. You mean to say I'll go to the boy and the boy will die? Gauhatya, Baramatya? Sorry. No way. I don't want. Again you were thinking, but Lord will not say anything wrong to me, isn't it? Let me go and try. And he goes there. He met the boy, and boy started speaking. Bhoboye sadho chanam drishtva. My dear Narada, thank you very much for your coming. I am so indebted to you. He said, well, how? Well, I remember when you came to the Pata Loka, Narka Loka, because of seeing you, I was elevated. And I became the bird. And when you came over there, I got elevated to become a calf. And we came over there, by your association, I became a boy. And now I know what is the goal of my life. And the goal of life is Krishna stu Bhagwan Swayam. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Anadir Adir Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam. Now I know, because of the association of the pure devotees, I have been elevated from the lowest region of the earth or that universe, and I have become a boy, human form, where I can execute dharma. Narada could understand. Oh my God. So about Narada, there are many stories. Because Narada here, let me tell one more story. Once Narada was singing in his Veena, Narayana, 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 Hare Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, 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 Badri Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. When he was going, he saw one a devotee carrying a big book, very big book on his shoulder. Narada said, oh sir, just wait a minute sir, what is this? He said, oh, my dear Devrishi Narada, this is the list of the devotees. Those who are the devotees of Krishna. This is a list of them. And I said, okay, I understand it. Hey, would you mind if I just have a look at it? He said, no. He said, please. Now, Narada is saying, please, he couldn't say no. So he put the book down. Narada started scanning, turning the pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1,000, 10,000, 20, 30,000. You know what? His name is not there. He got overwhelmed. He said, there are so many people here in tens and thousands. And my name is not there. And I thought, I am the devotee of Krishna. He became very morose, disheartened. He said, my God, I have to do the better bhakti now, in order to come among these millions of the people. Again he says, what to do, Narayana? Hare Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, 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 Badri Narayana, 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 Lakshmi Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. All of a sudden he saw one boy, another devotee. He is carrying a very thin, small book. And he asked him, wait a minute, sir, what are you carrying? Bola, I got a book. Bola, book? He said, this is the book whom Krishna worships. He said, my name is not there, those who are worshipping Krishna. And in this book, so he became inquisitive. Let us say, we all, Sarvaloka, all the 14 planet system, on all the planet system that are in the material world, they always worship Krishna. Vayam Krishnam namami. Vayam Krishnam namami. He said, now let me see whom does Krishna worship. Either maybe they are great exalted personality, or maybe some other god, isn't it? Who knows? So, hesitantly he said, can I have a look at it? Boy said, no. Krishna again said, please? Now Narada, if Narada is saying, how can somebody say no? So Narada opened the book. Now his left hand, the book on this, his hand is shaking. And first hand he opened this cover and he saw there, Devarsi Narada. The first name is Narada. So, not in that personality, even Krishna worships. You know whom Krishna worships? To his all pure devotees. Aham bhakta paradhino nahi swatantra eva dvija. You remember the story? Of Durvasa Muni going to Krishna that please save me from this Sudarshan Chakra. And Krishna says, Aham bhakta paradhino, I'm sorry. I am not independent at all. I am under the control of my devotee. Now if you go back to Ambarish, and if he excuses you, matter is done. So, aham bhakta paradhino. Now, there's a beauty, the Narada, the great Rishi. And you know what? We are following the Brahma, Narada, Madhva, Gaudiya, Sampradaya. Isn't it fortunate we are? They are in the lineage of Narada. And see Prabhupada, how many people he delivered? In his course, in thousands and thousands. And he's gone by many years before. And still, his potency is delivering the people. You know why? Because of Narada. He is following Narada. Or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But here we are talking about Narada. Such a great personality, Narada. One more anecdote, then I'll close it. Once Narada happened to, Krishna gives him this thought, like he bewildered like Arjuna bewildered in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. So he happened to ask Krishna, Krishna, please, I want to know, I am very inquisitive, who is the best devotee? And Krishna, without waiting a second, he says, in Bhumiloka, in that particular village, there is a farmer, he is the best devotee. Narada started laughing within himself. Farmer a devotee, man, what are you talking? You know what? Narada didn't say anything. He said, let me go and examine what kind of devotion he is doing. I want to go and see. And he went there. So he was on the oversea seeing that Brahman. He gets up in the morning, does his kriya, what do you call it? Sadhana, whatever it is. Not sadhana, kriya. He takes his prasadam, goes to the field, whole day there over there, comes back home, take the prasadam, and just before lying down he says, my dear Krishna, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to live for the day. And in 24 hours, he named Krishna just once. Just once. And Krishna saying is the better devotee. Krishna is mistaken, man. As an inquisitiveness, he goes to Krishna. He says, sir, the other day, you had given me an answer. I went to there, checked personally, because Pashyatam, not Pashyatam, Pashyata. I want to go, I went see. And I know, in 24 hours, he just named once your name, just once. Not even for a second or two. And you are saying the best devotee? Krishna says, yes, please. Because he remembered me. He said, what remembered me? That way anybody can remember you. Well, yes, that's what I'm saying. Swalpam apesya dharmasya. Or yes, yasmad matrena. Narada was not convinced. He said, well, something wrong somewhere. This equation is wrong. Krishna understood. He said, okay, forget about all this. Forget about all this. Can you do a favor for me? He says, I'll give you a lamp, I'll lit it up, and the oil full of the oil. Now, I want you to go around this universe, but please make sure the deepa should not be extinguished, and not even one drop of oil should fall down. And then come back as soon as possible. Now I say, what is the test, man? Yeah, all right, okay, so be it. I'll do that. I accept it. Now, when he started moving, now he has a two-mind concentration. One on that the oil should not drop, and another the jyoti, the flame, should not be extinguished. Very carefully, he goes around the globe and comes back to Krishna and saying, Sir, I have done it. Not even a drop is fallen down, and not even the flame is extinguished. And Krishna said, oh, thank you very much. You're such a great person. Can I ask you a question? He said, question? He said, during this the course you are doing, how many times you chanted my name? No, I said, chanting? Well, I was concentrating on the oil and the flame. What am I chanting? You told me to concentrate on this. He said, yeah, that's what I'm saying. So even if you could not chant my name only once, look at that farmer. Even once a day he chanting my name, he is a pure devotee. I'm increasing you here. You are doing 16 rounds. Just do one round properly. In that one round, one beat, without a love, just out of love, and your life will be sublime. You have to do 16, but out of one, in the round, in the 108 beat, at least 1 or 2 beats, when you say Krishna, and the Krishna will dance on your tongue. That's the potential of the name of Krishna. And you know why I'm not doing it? You know the reason? We have no faith. That's it. Because we have seen so many times, when we are in distress, Krishna did not come. So we said, it is written in the book, nobody comes, why he comes. And once you have a faith, like remember the boy whose father told him that offer it to Krishna, and after offering only you eat prasadam, and he told Krishna eat it, and Krishna has to eat it. And his father didn't like it. He said the boy has just started lying. He did it again, and Krishna ate it. The question is, do we have that much of faith? So, by the mercy of Narada, let us develop that faith. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Dev Rishi Narada ki Jai. Hare Krishna.